Get her car amount na 20. That she go collect, she say, oh yeah. Na payment before service, I can't pay her. I can't do it that night. Because I wake up today. I woke up at 12. I can't say this in my house. I don't even know, like, check the door. As I check the door, it did lock. The one I missed the night. I don't know how she take come out. I don't want to tell my neighbors waiting happen because they know see when I be come back from when they know see when I be come back from when I be where I go. I just go sleep based on see my head. They come as I wake up, my waist I don't feel come stay straight. Come they pay me my prick. See how it take come big. You know come gree come down. Come they pay me well. Now I just say make I just come for house. Make I waka find any prayer house where I fit go or any select place where they fit carry me go. And I no get family for Lagos here. I don't even call my guy sef. There's one of my friend wey I call wey I know well. I tell am everything wey happen. Thinking say he go come house come help me. This guy phone dey switched off till now like the day switched off. Mountain of fire. Okay, they dey pray today abi for mountain of fire. Shey e go dey possible make I wait make I fit follow you go church 6 o'clock. Wetin time dey talk like this? No, I no fit ever try this kind thing again. This three something. The mountain of fire is far from here. Person no go dey there, like no any pastor wey go dey there. But your church dey sabi pray well. Like they strong. Abeg, bring water. Like drinking water there, abeg no vex. I no fit ever try this kind thing for my life. God help me for this one. God help me for this one. And I give this girl money. Oh. I give her money. Man, why it be like this? Girl wey I dey date, she cheat on me now. Why I know they do girlfriend again. Cheat on me. Just one man just drink water. I say make I no tell that those my neighbor because I know how dem take be. They no even like person progress for that place. They no like person progress.